Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Join me as I take on an exciting challenge. Can turn a small amount of money into something big in just 1 week by mastering the power of the time value of money. The time value of money, or time value of money, is a fundamental concept in finance that can make or break your wealth building strategy. Understanding this principle is essential if you want to make smart investment decisions and reach your financial goals. Time value of money teaches us that the value of money changes over time due to factors like inflation, interest rates, and opportunity costs. As we dive deeper into the time value of money, you'll begin to see how this principle can be a total game changer for your financial future. Time value of money helps you assess investment opportunities, make informed decisions, and understand how to grow your wealth over time. It's a powerful concept, but only if you know how to apply it correctly. Despite its simplicity, the time value of money is one of the most essential ideas to grasp in the world of finance. By understanding it, you can avoid common financial mistakes and take advantage of opportunities that others might miss. It's not just about saving, it's about making your money work for you, even while you sleep. That's the magic of investing with time on your side. Too often, people underestimate the power of the time value of money. They focus only on saving without realizing that it's investing, even in small amounts, that truly drives long-term wealth. Many also believe investing is only for the rich, but that's far from the truth. Investing is for anyone who wants to build a better financial future. There are many misconceptions about saving and investing that can slow down your financial progress. One common myth is that you can wait until later to start investing. But in reality, the sooner you start, the better. Time is a key ingredient in building wealth through time value of money. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful the results. Ignoring the time value of money can have serious consequences. It means missing out on potential growth, underestimating the effects of inflation, and losing the opportunity to compound your wealth. People who delay investing often find themselves with far less than they could have had, simply because they didn't understand how time value of money works. Another myth is that time value of money only applies to complicated or large-scale investments. But that's not true. Whether you're investing $10 or $10,000, the principles are the same. Time value of money helps you make smarter financial choices, no matter the amount. Time value of money is often misunderstood, but it's actually quite simple. It's about realizing that money today is more valuable than the same amount in the future, and using that knowledge to make better decisions. Those who understand this concept are able to grow their wealth steadily and strategically. One of the most powerful components of time value of money is compound interest, where you earn interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest it has already earned. This snowball effect can lead to exponential growth, especially if you start early and stay consistent. To truly master the time value of money, it's important to understand 3 key concepts: present value, future value, and compound interest. Present value is what your money is worth today, while future value is what it will be worth after earning interest or investment returns. Compound interest, of course, is interest on interest, and it's the secret sauce behind building serious wealth. Let's look at a simple example. If you invest $1,000 today at an annual interest rate of 5%, you'll earn $50 after 1 year. The key to success with time value of money is to start early and be consistent. Even small contributions can grow into something huge if given enough time. One of the most compelling examples is of someone who invests just $100 per month starting at age 25. By the time they reach 65, they could have more than $1 million, thanks to compound interest and the power of time. Compare that to someone who starts investing the same amount at age 30, they would need to invest more than twice as much to reach the same amount by retirement. That's the value of starting early and staying committed. So, the main takeaway is this: the time value of money is a simple but incredibly powerful principle that can help you build wealth over time. Understanding present value, future value, and compounding interest is essential to applying this strategy successfully. If you want to achieve your financial goals, start now. Be consistent. Make smart investment decisions. Let your money grow over time, and let the time value of money work its magic. I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the time value of money? How do you plan to use it in your financial journey? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.